Are you trying to attract investors for your business, but unsure what they expect in your plan? You're in the right place! In this video, we'll break down exactly what investors look for in a business plan, step-by-step insights to help you secure funding. It all starts with clear business vision. Investors don't just want to know what your business does, they want to understand who it serves and why it matters. For example, let's say you're pitching an app for personal budgeting. Don't just tell them, it's an app that tracks expenses. Instead, show them how it solves a real problem, like helping people take control of their finances and reduce debt. Pro tip, use the executive summary to highlight your mission, your goals, and your long-term vision. This is your chance to make them believe in your business and the impact it can create. Investors are always looking for one thing, proof that there's strong demand for your product or service. Here's how you can show them. Start with the details. Talk about market size, growth trends, and who your customers are. Then, explain what makes your business stand out from competitors. For example, don't just say, there's a need for this. Show them the data, survey results, industry reports, or even testimonials that prove your audience needs what you're offering. Numbers speak louder than words, especially to investors. They focus heavily on your revenue model, expenses, and profit margins. Make sure to highlight key details like your sales projections, break-even analysis, and cash flow forecasts. Show them exactly how their investment will be used to grow the business. It's all about transparency. Investors want to see growth potential. Show how your business can expand into new markets or add products. Highlight any technology or systems that make scaling seamless. For example, think about Uber. It started in just one city but quickly scaled because the business model was built for expansion. A great idea isn't enough. Investors need confidence in the team executing it. Emphasize experience, skills, and leadership. Highlight key team members' past achievements. Investors need proof that your business can stand out. Talk about patents, unique features, or strategic partnerships that give you an edge. Share customer testimonials or results from pilot programs to back your claims. And if you have exclusive rights to technology, make sure to spotlight that early in your pitch. Remember, a business plan should tell a clear story backed by solid research and numbers. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to visit upmetrics.co for templates and resources to help you build your plan. See you in the next video.